The Department of Correctional Services, DCS, has confirmed its receipt of legal documents representing a claim by 16 inmates housed at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. Now, the lawsuit was filed on December 4 last year. Among the plaintiffs is Tesha Miller. According to a Gleaner report, the lawsuit names the superintendent of the downtown Kingston-based correctional facility, the Minister of National Security, and the Attorney General as defendants. The inmates are seeking damages for alleged breaches of their rights. They contend that their right to equality before the law was infringed when the superintendent and his officers imposed a no-visit day rule on several days in November 2024 without informing them or their families. The lawsuit also claims that a 2-year visitation ban breached their rights to communicate with family and spouses. The DCS says this claim is being addressed in accordance with the established legal framework designed to manage matters of this nature. It further states it remains steadfast in upholding the rule of law and safeguarding its mandate to secure, rehabilitate and reintegrate persons in its care.